Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad T495, and in this video I will show you how to fix most commonly occurring issues with your Wi-Fi. First thing that you can do is toggle your Wi-Fi. To do this, open the control center by clicking these three icons on your status bar, then either toggle your Wi-Fi by clicking this icon, or toggle your network by clicking the airplane mode. Then reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and see if it helped. And if it didn't, then right click the Wi-Fi icon right here, click Go to Settings, then open Network and Internet, scroll down to Advanced Network Settings and select Network Reset. Then click Reset Now, click Yes, click Close, and then open the Start menu, go to Power Options and select Restart. Then wait until your device is restarted. Then sign in to Windows and try to reconnect to your network. This time you'll have to enter the password to it. Press enter, and this way you will be connected to your network again. Check if this helped you save your problem, and if it didn't, then right click the Wi-Fi icon right here, select Diagnose Network Problems, and then go through the troubleshooting steps you see in this window. See if it helps you, and if it doesn't, then you can update drivers for your network, and you can do this either on this PC if you have some kind of stable connection to the internet on it. Now if you don't, you can download driver on the separate device and then enter your and then transfer the drivers to this laptop using USB flash drive. So first let's open a web browser, open your search engine and search for the Lenovo laptop drivers. You're gonna find the official support.lenovo.com website. This one is what we're looking for. Open this website, select PC, and then in order to detect the product, well, if you are doing this on a separate device, obviously you cannot detect the product. But if you're doing this on this laptop, just click Detect Product, and it will detect your device automatically. Now, in the other way to do this is by clicking the Browse Product Laptops, then select ThinkPad series, T-series, then search for T495, and then enter the serial number of your laptop right here. To find your serial number, you have to look at the back cover of your laptop. Let me show it to you. If you take a look at the back side of your laptop, you're gonna find the label like this. And here is the serial number of your device. For me it's PF2KMPJA. Okay, and right now let's get back to the website. Enter your serial number right here. Press enter to submit. Maybe without this. Okay. Okay, so it was found. Actually, yeah, don't use the minus icon. Now, what we have to do is select drivers and software. Then go to manual update, select drivers, and find the networking wireless LAN. And here you can find the Intel wireless LAN driver for Windows 11. So this is the okay. I think it's let's download the top one. I think it's the latest version. So click download next to Intel wireless LAN driver. Then if you're doing this on another PC, you're gonna have to use this file, copy it to your USB flash drive, transfer it to your Lenovo, and then on your laptop run this file, click yes, select language and click OK, then next, then read and accept the agreement, click next, then click select install and click next once again, click install, click OK. And then driver should be updated, but to make sure that the changes were applied, let's go to the power options and restart the laptop once again. Now, sign in to your device and then check if your Wi-Fi is working normally. Now, if nothing that I mentioned helped you with your Wi-Fi issue, then at this point I think it's probably a problem on your internet provider provider site. So contact your internet provider and ask them if there is a problem on their side, and if they can fix it and when it will be fixed, and they'll tell you if it's so. And if there is no problem on the provider's side, then what you should do is contact the Lenovo customer support service and tell them about your issue. And in case they cannot help you, you can carry your device to the nearest repair center yourself and let them take care of your device. Your network card might be broken or malfunctioning, and they will take care of it. And that will be it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.